Hello and welcome to my tiny kitchen in Japan. My name is Jeremy and today we'll be making Buta Kimchi. It's a little stir fry with some pork and kimchi as well as some other vegetables. It's a really great dish, a little spicy, lots of vegetables and richness from the pork. Okay, let's get started. So to make Buta Kimchi, we'll first need to marinate our pork. So in this case, I will grate some garlic, and ginger. Garlic and ginger are a great pair for stir fries such as this. So to our pork, we will add some soy sauce, sake, cooking rice wine, and some sesame oil. And just bring that together and let that marinate. Give that a stir. So as our pork marinates, we'll prepare our vegetables. So in this case, I'll be using mushroom, some green peppers, and these are already prepared, but some bean sprouts, and some cut garlic chives. These are really great. They're long like scallions, but flat and have a garlic flavor. So I'll just cut off the tops of my peppers. And this dish is pretty versatile, so whatever vegetables you have left over, you can definitely put in this dish. You can do some nice thin strips of carrot, if you have cabbage, bok choy, whatever you have available will work nicely. So I'm using green peppers here, but if you have red peppers, that's fine too. And mushrooms, I'm using eringi, which is a trumpet mushroom, but if you have shiitake, definitely use shiitake. If you have enoki, which is one of my favorites, use enoki. So this is a very versatile dish. What I like about these trumpet mushrooms is that when you stir fry them, they taste like you used butter, even if you didn't use any butter. So trumpet mushrooms are really great. Okay, we'll set these aside. Okay, and the main star, kimchi. Kimchi is of course Korean in origin. It's fermented Napa cabbage. And there we have our kimchi. I love kimchi raw, but it's also really good in stir fries, in soups. Kimchi is really flavorful, so definitely give it a try. Seek it out in the refrigerated part of your Asian grocery. So we'll give that a cut. Bite-sized pieces like that are fine. We have our ingredients prepared. Heat up your frying pan of choice and give it a little oil. Any neutral flavored oil is fine in this case. Once the oil's hot, we'll stir fry the meat first, followed by all the vegetables. So this is eaten with rice typically, so I'm just gonna heat up some leftover rice to go with it. Okay, our oil's getting hot. We'll start by stir frying the meat. That smells so fragrant already because of the ginger, the garlic, the sesame oil all together. Smells great. Break apart the meat as best you can. Okay, once the meat's cooked through, we'll add the other star of this dish, the kimchi. Make sure your frying pan, your wok, or whatever you have is as high of a heat as you can get it. Of course, make sure things are moving so it doesn't stick and burn. So as you can see here, both the soy sauce meat marinade and the kimchi came together to make this beautiful spicy red sauce. Also very essential to this dish, cut off camera, some onions. Get those in next, followed by the mushrooms. And then the green peppers. Stir that in or give it a toss. So the reason we're adding the onions a little later is we still want a little of that crunch in this stir-fry dish. So we add them after both the pork and the kimchi, but with the mushrooms and the green peppers. So it's at this point that we will add our bean sprouts and nira, garlic chives. To be honest, bean sprouts, they can be a bit bland, so we'll just add a little more sauce to help it. I like to add a little sake. That's cooking rice wine. And since this can be a spicy dish, we want something to help bring out some sweetness, so we have oyster sauce. At this point, just to help speed up the cooking process and get those bean sprouts soft, I'm just gonna cover it. That's looking almost perfect. So just give it a quick little stir and a toss. Now that the bean sprouts are cooked, we can take off the lid and let some of that moisture evaporate. All right, it's looking awesome. Another little final toss. Okay, now it's time to plate. Can serve that. For a topping, I like to sprinkle on some sesame seeds. You can definitely put some chopped green onions if you have them. And I like a little black pepper. Okay, and there we have it. That is Buta Kimchi. Best eaten with a little bowl of rice. Okay, so let's give it a little taste. The pork is very tender, and the kimchi brings a nice spiciness and acidity. Eringi are cooked through and nice and buttery. Here's how I like to eat it. I like to take a little bit of everything, some meat, vegetables, and place it on top of my rice bowl here and eat together. So there we have it, Buta Kimchi. Give it a try. Let me know how you like it. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of vegetables you use. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Subscribe for more home cooking Japanese recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.